Hey, I am Luke Heckel. I'm the commercial sales manager with Sonos, and I'm here to talk about what we are doing at InfoComm 2026, which is really introducing everybody to our commercial solutions. Sonos has a different approach about how to actually enable the businesses to have amazing quality business music systems in their stores, and it's a holistic approach. We're uniquely positioned to deliver not just the hardware, the playback devices, but also the control and content under a single brand umbrella, if you will, to deliver end-to-end solutions for these business music customers. The realization of that vision can really be with two products. One of that is Era 100 Pro. It is our first PoE hardwired product solution that is optimized for commercial installation, enabling integrators to design with intent, but still have accessibility to the simplicity and the elegance of the Sonos ecosystem. And that is also rounded out then by our SaaS product, Sonos Pro, which not only delivers licensed content to those business customers, but also offers an administration level or an admin level of control to the business owner and to the integration partner if they are added as an admin on the system, while also providing remote monitoring and management to those customers so that they know that their system is operating in a predictable and positive way. So altogether, it is really a holistic approach to delivering commercial business music systems to business customers that has the elegance of Sonos, the simplicity of Sonos, the quality of Sonos, and an amazing integration experience for our dealer partners. If you want more information, go to sonos.com.